Tornado warning, shock claim, Planet X to whip up deadly twisters in U.S. Tornado Valley. Powerful winds are expected to lash the United States with raging tornadoes and twisters as the mythical N.W.O, or Planet X makes its approach, conspiracy theories have spectacularly claimed. The annual United States tornado season passed without any major incident, but scores of online doom-mongers believe things are about to change. An unusual Planet X claim is being pushed around the internet in hopes of convincing people violent tornadoes will target the so-called U.S. Tornado Valley. A N.W.O article published on conspiracy news website someonesbones.com claims tornado activity is being fueled by the close presence of Planet X. Purveyors of the Planet X theory, sometimes known as the N.W.O or Wormwood Cataclysm, are convinced a rogue planetary system is barreling towards Earth. N.W.O's supposed arrival in the skies over Earth is meant to herald the end times and wreak havoc across the surface of the planet. An alleged climatologist named Dr. Ethan Trowbridge has now warned the U.S. of the alleged impeding tornadoes whipped up by Planet X heating up the oceans. He said, "The Nemesis star and the outermost orbital have gravitational fields exponentially stronger than Earth's. Even now, our axis tilt, or obliquity, has changed from a normal 23 degrees to 27.5 degrees. Our orbital inclination has also changed, even if imperceptibly. Even the slightest change has consequences. Even a 1-degree shift in ocean and surface temperature can have catastrophic consequences. Right now, the waters in the Gulf are 3 degrees higher than last year. This is a disaster in the making." He added, "This may, and I stress the word may, mitigate the formation of tornadoes never seen in our lifetime. But even if we have scores of 250 miles per hour wind tornadoes instead of hundreds of 300 plus mph wind tornadoes, places will be utterly annihilated and many people will perish." The claim follows one of the quietest tornado seasons on record, meteorologists have said. Since the start of the year, Oklahoma is yet to witness any major twister activity and Kansas is enjoying one of the most peaceful springs in decades. According to Jack Boston, senior meteorologist for AccuWeather's Wichita office, the calm weather is pretty incredible. However, forecasters have warned those living in the Tornado Valley not to be lulled into a false sense of security. Larry Ruthie of the Dodge City National Weather Service branch, said he would be surprised if tornadoes do not develop in Kansas around the start of May. In the case of a tornado, authorities advise people to seek shelter immediately, ideally in a sturdy building which will withstand the twister. As far as N.W.O is concerned, there is absolutely no evidence Planet X will influence tornado activity nor that the mysterious system even exists. The world's greatest scientific minds have been battling the conspiracy theory for years and stress that N.W.O is not real. NASA's leading scientist Dr. David Morrison said, "There is no credible evidence whatever for the existence of N.W.O. There are no pictures, no tracking, no astronomical observations. I can quite specifically say how we know Planet X or N.W.O does not exist and does not threaten the Earth. Firstly, if there was a planet headed into the inner solar system that was going to come close to the Earth, it would already be inside the orbit of Mars, it would be bright, it would be easily visible to the naked eye, if it was up there it would be easy to see it, all of us could see it." The U.S. Tornado Valley refers to a hotbed of twister activity in eastern U.S., where tornadoes are most active throughout the year. Much of the recent peace and quiet was attributed to a pattern of cool, dry air sweeping from Canada all the way to the Great Plains east of the Rocky Mountains.